Look at him move.
Take a little puppy dog.
You got there.
This is a tarpon.
So shiny.
Yeah, they are. Off he goes. Oh.
Bad luck if you don't.
Don't know where I am this morning. This morning we are heading out to the Bong.
That what?
That's what the locals call the Bong. Corroboree Billabong.
Yes. Corroboree Billabong. It's like an hour and a half out of Darwin. And our friends invited us. They have a boat, so they invited us on a little nature outing.
Sean, you want to fly the drone over? Be a 4 metre.
Oh my god.
It's a baby.
Any luck
Look
there?
how overgrown that is.
No, I've had like 1,000 little bites from little tarpon and not hooking up. Coming in, everybody. It's coming in. I'm finally getting one in.
They're in.
Double poon.
I was going to say this video's going to take, it's going to be a lot of splashing water.
I know, I'm gonna have to
No
delete
fish.
75% of them.
Oh, so you got to hit them in the gills.
Show us, what is it?
It is.
Oh. What is that?
Right, move aside, Greg. Harvey will do it.
Yeah.
Look.
Okay.
Whoa! You want to kiss him?
Say goodbye.
Hey, take
Pat the fish.
Have a look.
We pet the
Pat it,
fish.
Harvey.
Look.
Little pat.
Pet the fish like this.
Barramundi. Saratoga.
Another Saratoga. Good fishy.
Good boy.
Wow.
We'll put him back.
Say bye.
Bye, fishy.
Bye fish. Bye fish.
Nice.
Oh,
Harvey, look at that. Toga.
face bite.
It's gonna get to that.
Look at it.
See the pinks?
Oh yeah.
It's cool, eh?
Monika is about to display how to catch a tarpon.
No, leave it. You don't want this. Daddy will get you a frog later.
You want a frog, Harvey?
Watch out for them weeds. Got him. Monika has caught her first tarpon,
Hang on. Hang on.
and it's going chaotic.
Are they spiky?
No, just straight around the gut.
Yeah.
Look at that.
What is it? A tarpon.
Yep.
It's a tarpon.
Tarpon.
Nice.
Yeah. You want to give it a kiss?
Not really.
It's your first tarpon
very
you
bloody.
get on the lips.
You got to give it a kiss on the lips.
Oh.
Bad luck if you don't.
We've just come back to the boat ramp because I forgot my hat earlier. And they actually have a whole wetland cruises thing here. It's like a full-on information thing in there, and they have a few boats leaving, so that's pretty cool. But it does get pretty busy during the day. I think we're just going to cruise a bit more up the river, see if we can spot some more snapper gators.
We can't do it.
Baby, pedal to the metal with the windows down. Hanging from a rear view. Wake up, Lachlan. Wake up, Lachlan. Tick, tick, take that car. Travel near and we travel far. Tick, big red times.
Forward to your left.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
What are the sights?
I have like 26%.
We've spotted a little croc on the floodplain. Mon's going to try and get him on the drone.
Yeah? I can't tell.
Yeah, that's him right there.